Hello everyone, welcome to Euron, and in this video I'm going to discuss about Euron Partnership Program. Now, as a Euron, so we are providing affordable courses, a very high quality affordable courses we are going to offer in a live mode, in a recorded mode. We are offering projects, we are offering books, we are offering Euron Plus, which is a Netflix like a subscription, one subscription, and everything you will be able to access. We are offering Euron org, where for your schools, for your college, for your company, you will be able to buy not just one but a multiple licenses. Plus we have Euron Assist, which is like a chat GPT, so you don't have to go and pay for the chat GPT. Now coming to a main point. So every company needs a marketing, every company needs a distribution, and yes, every company try to spend a lots and lots of money just for this particular purposes. We have decided that what if we can try to distribute this money amongst our partner, and keeping that in mind, we have launched a Euron partnership program. So if you will come to Euron, you will be able to find out a partnership tab over here. Now, what is this partnership? Like I said, so we have courses, we have books, we have projects, we have reels as well. We have so many things, and so many things we are going to update on a regular basis. And everywhere you will be able to find out a share link. Just copy, click copy, or maybe you can go inside this one and then you will be able to copy the same link. You can go inside Euron Plus, which is nothing but a Netflix for an education, and you can copy again a link. You can go inside a Euron org and then you can copy a link. So whatever, not just a paid one. Let's suppose I'm going to copy maybe a free courses, I'm going to copy maybe a free books which is already available. So you can copy this particular link. This is your link, guys. So once you are going to copy this particular link, and if someone is going to join, if someone is going to sign up, right, through you, you will be able to see everything over here. So total number of clicks. Let's suppose if I'm sharing this link anywhere as a partner, right? As a partner, if I'm going to share this link, you will be able to see a total clicks over here. You will be able to see a total sign up. And again, this is a lifetime partnership program, guys. So once someone is going to sign up through your link and they are going to purchase anything in today's scenario, today, tomorrow, or maybe in future, maybe after 5 years, if someone is going to purchase anything, if they are going to renew the subscription at any point of a time, what you will be able to get a 50% of the revenue. You don't have to again go back and ask for the sign up, or it's not like just 7 or 30 days of cookie setting. No, not at all. So simple sign up, simple distribution of anything. Anything means literally anything: free, paid, live courses, recorded courses, projects, books, Euron Plus, Euron org, anything that you would like to promote, you can simply promote it, and yes, you will be able to get a 50% of the revenue once you will be able to get a user through a sign up, and that user is going to make some sort of a purchases. Plus we have made sure that you will be having a tracking of each and everything. Literally each and everything you will be able to track. As you can see that we have a very detailed dashboard. So you will be able to track our countries, you will be able to track our cities, you will be able to track about browser distribution, device distribution, operating system, all the stats you will be able to capture, and you will be able to capture some of the monthly, weekly, and daily reports as well. As you can see over here, daily matrices, weekly matrices, and monthly matrices you will be able to track. Now, how you will get paid? So how Euron is going to pay you? It's again very simple, right? So if you are from India, if you are a partner from India, simple, update your net banking or update your UPI ID. And here we have clearly mentioned that immediately, if you are from India, immediately you will be able to make a transaction. If you are from outside India, you can add your PayPal ID or you can add your Pioneer ID, and then on a every month 15th and 28th we are going to make a payment on the given PayPal or Pioneer ID, whatever suits you for you. Now, every transaction you will be able to check, every transaction you will be able to track everything, not just one thing, everything you will be able to track over here, and you will be able to request for a withdrawal. So this is how simple this entire partnership is, guys. So obviously we need a lots of support from you, from all of you, right? We are trying to build a community for our partners. We are trying to build a community for our learners so that our learners will be able to get an affordable, quality, live, recorded, every kind of a things in a very, 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 very affordable price. And parallelly, our partners who could be as students, who could be anyone, literally anyone can try to do this one, and it's completely fine. So what you are waiting for? So everything is open for you. All these opportunities as a students, as a partner, everything is open for you, and everything is automated in such a way that things are pretty much transparent to all of us. And if you have any kind of a suggestion for this partnership, for our courses, for any product that we have, please feel free to reach out to us, and for sure we are going to add those features immediately inside the dashboard. So with that, thank you so much everyone. See you again in the next video.